I just received a package from Alter Ego. I did already open it because I was like, I was so excited. I just couldn't help myself. But this one is an eyeshadow base, and here's the packaging. Okay, so this is eyeshadow base. So I'm assuming this is what you would put on like a primer. So matte liquid lipstick, and it is in Crush 6. There we go. Matte lipstick. Oh, I know I've already opened it, but I'm just like, I'm so excited. But me and my mom both were like, oh my god, the packaging is like so pretty. Da 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 da. I love the packaging, like that is so gorgeous. And this is called Midsummer Pressed Palette. So on the back it does give you like the names and all that too, if you can see that. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that is so pretty. I love how they bubble wrap it because my handlers are not all that nice and easy, and they don't always lay things down very well. So look at it. Okay. It is gorgeous. Like it is. Mom was like, oh my god, I love this one. Da, da, da. I'm gonna start off with the base, the eyeshadow base. Put it on my eyes. So we're gonna kind of go back and forth with the palettes though. We're gonna start with just picking up a brush. I was like, where's my brushes? Okay, I think I'm just gonna kind of go with these greens over here. But I don't know, I've been into like a neutrals mood, and these have really pretty neutral shades in them. So I'm trying to steer away from that right this second because I'm like, I absolutely do love color. Okay, we're gonna go with Sky. So I'm gonna just try to look down into the palette with the mirror and pick up this one. And then we're gonna go with Meadow. So I'm hoping I won't turn this into too much of a green thing. So kind of like right up in here. We're gonna take Fair. Yeah, that's really pretty. I want to take that purple so bad. Lavender, which is what it's called. I'm gonna... Okay, after about 30 minutes or more of doing a full face to match the eyes, okay, let's get into the lipstick. Okay, lip liner on. I look so crazy right now, but I'm trying to look in the mirror to make sure I'm gonna get it on my lips. Everything's looking really pretty. So that's the completed look, and it's really pretty. I'm obsessed with this palette. I'm gonna have to show more looks from it because not just this one, but these two palettes, I'm obsessed. Okay. There's so many pretty colors in here that I'm still gonna have to play with, and I'm like, parts of me just like wants to take this off and then replay with these ones all day and just waste my day playing with these like palettes. Stay tuned because I will create so much more, and I have so many other things that I have to like get with y'all on, but so far I'm really in love with these palettes. This and then the base. So this is a really good brand, Alter Ego Beauty. You should check them out. They're really pretty. Good. All right, bye y'all.